And good day. Today we're looking at this. It's a Rehook Tyre Glider. And what you do with it, you take your tyres off your bicycle with it, and you can also put them back on again using this one little tool. So you don't have to worry about those tyre levers anymore, which are a pain in the tail. So we'll be putting it to the test. Hopefully it'll work. We'll find out soon enough. Pop that to the side, and we've got this, which is just a little thank you. There's not much on it, as you can see, you know, bike happy. Put it to the side. The other card that comes in the package is this one, and we'll flip it over. And this one's a little bit better. It gives you instructions on what to do to get your tyre off using the tool and putting it back on again. So we'll be putting it to the test shortly, and hopefully I'll get some good results. We've got the tyre glider. I've got a flat tyre. And let's see what we can do with it. Because I've got a small diameter tyre, it should be a bit harder to use than a normal one. Oh, no, it can't be easy. Wow, didn't expect that. Oh, it's true. Oh, wow, that was so easy. It's unbelievable. Yeah, I wonder what it's like to put it back on again. So you're supposed to pop that over, angle that in position, and just simply slide it around. And the last bit, ha, there we are, it's done. That thing's unbelievable. Definitely getting my thumbs up. That's the best tool I've ever used for the bike. Brilliant. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, either way, doesn't matter. You know, leave a comment, I'd appreciate that. And hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then. Bye for now.